Today I'm going to share one of my favorite things to do with you guys. My kids really enjoy this too. We pull an address from a record and we search for it on Google Maps. So you just type in maps.google.com and it'll pull up a spot for you to search and put your address in. So once you've got your address in and you hit search, it'll pull it up and it gives you a little red dot where your place is. Now this is where it gets really fun. In the bottom right hand corner here, that little yellow guy, you just click on him and hold him while you drag him to where you want to go. Now when you click on him and start to drag him, these blue lines pull up and you can put him anywhere that there is a blue line. Now earlier I tried putting him here and that's not a very good view of the building. And if you look here, it gives you a little bit of a preview so you can kind of see where you're headed. And this is a much better view over here. So I'm going to go ahead and drop him. Now, you're going to want to verify the address. And this is not it. I am going to have to turn around my screen. And you can do that by clicking on these little buttons over here if you don't have a touch screen. Okay, and you're going to want to verify the address, which I already did. I know this is my building. So I can tap to move over a little bit. You can use your cursor to do that and then get a good shot that you like of the building and you can take a screenshot and now you have a picture of it. Now this is not actually, I doubt this is the building that my great-grandmother lived in. It was from a 1910 census that I pulled her address from. So likely not it, but it still provides some great context. If I exit out and I just pan out, I can see where she lived in relation to the town. And her husband was a steamboat captain, so I counted the blocks. They lived about 9 blocks from the waterfront, and I wonder if he walked down there to get to work. You can also use the maps to see how close they are in relation to other relatives or other places that they've lived or the church where they got married. You can have so much fun playing around with the maps, and it really brings the locations that your ancestor lived to life.